guys, welcome to our Japan vlog. So me and Reg will be meeting in Japan. I'll be coming from Philippines and you're from Dubai. So as planned, I will land first in Osaka. Then we'll take the train straight to Kyoto, where we will check into our hotel. This is an 8-day trip, so sit back and join us as we explore the beautiful country of Japan. By the way, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're interested in this type of vlogs, please consider subscribing, as we plan to do more trips like this, and of course it will also help our channel to grow, and it really means a lot to us. Alright, thank you guys and enjoy the vlog.
Anong sabi nung naka-short sleeves? Pwede na yung ganyan. So yun yung bed. So it's a bed, queen size. Alright. Yung garage. Ang loto lang. Ano na tayo sa loto? Sarap. Beer. Cuts down. Hi, gozaimasu.
It started like a few minutes ago. I would like to join, or you want to join me later?
It's possible to move to 10:30?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Just come back at 10:30. I moved you guys to the 10:30. Thank you so much. No problem. Appreciate it.
Is it okay to take a video later?
Video. During the tour, you guys are not allowed to take a video, but inside the museum, other than the tour, it's alright.
Guys, so makatapos na nung tour namin sa museum. Now, nagta-training kami umakyat ng hagdan. Part ng training. Ngayon, hindi lang sa may experience kung paano maging ninja. Let's go.
Okay, so now please hold one edge with your thumb and index finger. And if you are right-handed, please step left leg forward and point to the target with your left hand. With us now, if you could make the spin, it will be better. And after the practice, we're gonna have a competition.
We'll see.
Okay, now first one, everybody. Ready, set, go!
Sa akin na. Mama naman yung sa akin. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Sa akin, mama.
Let's give him a buzz! Okay, so
So yun, nanalo tayo ng gift. Buti nilang may nag-tie kanina. So, tie sila ng 7? 8? 7. Eh, 5 lang score ko. So tumira pa ulit ng tig-isa. Tumama ako dun sa 5. Sa 10 ako. Sa lana nakahabol. Boy. 3. So ngayon pupunta kami sa may costume na. So, let's go. Tapos namin sa Ninja Experience ngayon, maghahanap kami ng makakainan. Kaya natin yung matcha.
Hindi taste it.
Ito yung sarap agad. Ay, wala.
What? Siguro hindi ko nagamit dito yung galos ng mga kape.
Matcha. Sarap yung donuts. Libot-libot siya.
Hello.
Smile. Ginawa niyang patungan yung legs ko. So now, punta kami sa Bamboo Grove. Waiting for the bus. Bamboo Grove? Bamboo.
Arashiyama bamboo? Okay, okay.
Alam mo ba? Kumuha ka lang ba?
Hindi, alam ko.
May na-discover ako. Baka ito yung secret na daanan. Go! Takbo! Takbo! Kamay mo! Bilisan mo! Si Kuya huminto din eh. Para artista dito. So guys, day 2. Ayan o, hindi na kami nag-Google Maps. Tuloy-tuloy na lang yung lakad o. Saan tayo ngayon dyan? Mag-right. O, diba? Ang lupit.
Tapos walang elevator na dyan.
Oo. Diba? Sige guys, kakain na muna tayo.
It's a nice day, right?
It is.
You enjoyed it?
Of course.
Yeah. Yeah, hindi nakapagod, no? Hindi masyado nakapagod. We can still do more.
Huh?
We can still do more. No? How are you doing? Two? Arigato.
Cemento or
Hello, what's up? So ngayon punta kami ng we're gonna go to Dotonbori. It's kinda late. What time is it? 7:30. We hope to reach there by 8:30. Sana hindi pa close yung mga tindahan. Wala tao. Kasi wala nang train. Oh, paano yan? Wala nang train. So guys, hindi tayo natuloy sa Dotonbori kasi may major delay. Hindi na namin sasabihin kung ano nangyari. Pero ayun, so dito muna kami sa Kyoto. Bumili kami ng stuff 7-Eleven. So kakain na lang muna kami sa bahay. Or kung may madadaanan pa kami yung restaurant. So try namin bukas pumunta ng Dotonbori. Hey guys, so we got some stuff here. Oh, go! Diyan ka na bumaba. Grabe, nakakalula yan Dito kami sa sa Sky Garden. Ayan, kita nyo naman. More like Love Garden. Nice Sana ako din may taga-ilaw. Para makakain ako. Sarap, no?
Pati yung nakagat ko.
Masarap naman yung cardboard.
Sarap. May balcony.
May balcony.
Pag New Year, siguro maganda dito. Magpa-fireworks siguro dito.
Arigato. Bye. That's horse meat.
Tasty?
masaya na siya ulit. Excited ka naman?
They're starting that here.
Here? Alright. Hi! Bye-bye, Japan!